Today I feel pretty angry and sad. Angry that women walking home in the dark have to be scared of the person walking closely behind them. And sad because for far too many women, even getting home safely doesn't mean they're safe from harm. So I say to all colleagues right across the House, let's never let party politics get in the way of protecting women and girls. But I want to use my short time today to raise an issue that would help women, and that is making flexible work standard. In 1995, I was working for Barclays. At the age of 32 and 5 months pregnant with my first child, I was promoted to senior executive. Of 240 senior execs, only 8 were women. I was told that taking on this massive new job would mean coming back quickly from maternity leave, and I naively leapt at the chance. 3 months after Fred was born, I had fallen in love with him, but he didn't sleep much, and I was under huge pressure from my male boss to go back to work. I won't dwell on it, but after postnatal depression, 18 months holding down the job while seeking to go part-time, and 2 miscarriages later, I took legal advice. The head of the UK bank had said, "We've managed without female directors until now. We certainly don't need part-time ones." So I was advised to sue for constructive dismissal and sex discrimination. But blissfully for me, I was now pregnant with Harry, and this precious pregnancy was not worth the stress of a court case, so I took VR. The reason I could sue is because even then, employers were not allowed to refuse to consider part-time work. And 25 years on, that is still the case, but the 21st century demands change. During my time in Bays, a top priority was to make the UK the best place in the world to work by encouraging flexible working as standard, transparency of employment terms and regular working hours. I plan to bring it forward in the Employment Rights Bill, where applicants could propose their own working day as opposed to the employer setting the terms. Whether you work in a supermarket or behind a desk, you should have the right to request a working pattern that suits you without negative consequences. Of course, employees can already request flexible working, but as I found, many fear to do so because of repercussions on their job security. And flexible as standard can also be a huge advantage for employers. If job ads don't specify fixed working arrangements, then applications will come from a much wider and more diverse pool of candidates. Employers must, of course, be able to refuse unrealistic offers, but enabling flexible as standard will, in my view, improve quality of life as well as productivity and diversity in the workplace. Now, we know that women provide the majority of part-time workers and also the principal caring roles, so capturing all their talents will benefit both our economy and our society. So as we look to build back better, let's put flexible work as standard at the heart of our recovery.